guys, welcome back. So today I am doing what's on my Sephora wish list for the VIB sale. So I'm going to show you what's in my cart and what's in my love list. And let me know if you've tried any of these products, if you recommend any of them. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if I'm missing anything. Like if there's something out there that, oh, it's focusing on the Sephora VIB. Hello? Hello? Thanks. Is he gonna do it again? Yeah, nope, okay. Let me know if there's anything I'm missing that you think I should definitely have. Alright, we are on to my loves list. First and foremost, we have the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. I know this is old news and everybody's tried this and let it out. I haven't yet, so I thought maybe I would just get the mini on top of the 20% off. You know, it's cheap. Give it a try. See what I think. Next on the list is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Mini Pro Filter Instant Primer. This retails for $20 Canadian. Oh, and the concealer is $16 Canadian. And it's just the mini. So the Rihanna primer, I kind of want to give it a shot before I put too much, you know, money into it. So it's just the sample size. And it's probably better that I get the sample size. I have a crap ton of everything already. But I've heard that it's kind of drying and it, you know, it has some flaws. So I want to try it before I go, you know, gung-ho and buy the full size. Next on my list is the Violet Voss Fun Size Mini Berry Burst in Berry Burst, and it retails for $24 Canadian. It just looked really pretty, but now that I have the Violet Voss, that's actually, oh, okay, you gonna focus again? Thanks. The Violet Voss HQ palette that I just hauled, I feel like I don't really need it. It's actually what I'm wearing today, so I don't know about that one. The Stila All Fired Up Glitter and Glow Trio. Let's see, what is this one? Limited edition mini set, and it retails for $33 Canadian, and I really want to give these a shot. Everybody says they're so amazing, and I want to try. Next is a Marc Jacobs set. It is the High Nude Lip Trio, and I think it has like the Sugar lip gloss in it. I'm not totally sure, but this is what it looks like. And it retails for $31 Canadian. So you get a lip liner, a lip gloss, and a mini lipstick. And I thought that's a great way to give those a try, right? Next on the list is the MAC Cosmetics Mini MAC Prep and Prime Fix Spray. And it is $16 Canadian. It's just the mini one. I have never ever tried MAC's Fix Plus, so thought I would. Next is the Bite Beauty Agave Treat Trio Mini Agave Set, and it retails for $20 Canadian. So it comes with 3 different flavors of the lip mask, and everybody talks oh so highly of this, so why not give it a try? Next is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Primer, and it retails for $20. And I really love this is the primer spray. I really love just the primer, so I thought the spray would be really nice. Maybe give it a try. I have a bunch of the Ordinary on here, but I haven't committed to any quite yet. Like, I have like everything. Next on the list is the Morphe James Charles palette. Now, you focus on me, please. This is more of, this isn't something that I want. This is something my daughter wants. So I just put it in here, maybe, but it retails for $50 Canadian. Like, I don't know about that. Next in line is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, but it's the rosy tone. But I don't know, because now I got the confidence in a cream normal one through BoxyCharm. And do I need both? I don't really know. So, and it retails for $62 Canadian, as you couldn't see. So it's a little expensive. Now, onto some skincare stuff that I really, really want. The Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. Yeah, I really want this. And look at the price of this Canadian. $84. So getting 20% off this would be amazing. Next is another sample size. This is the Fresh Rose, what is it called? Deep Hydration Mini Toner. And it's $30, even though it's a mini. So I don't know about that one. On top of like the idea of like all of those little things floating around and stuff. So I don't know. Another skincare-esque thing is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. And this is the mini, I think. Oh, maybe it's not. Might be the full size. I don't know. It retails for $28 and it's 1.7 fluid ounces, which is a pretty good price. Yeah. So that is definitely something I'm thinking about. The new Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer in the mini size, and it retails Canadian for $18. But everyone's been talking about this, like how awesome it is and how your makeup just clings. So I thought, maybe give this a try. I have a couple foundations, and they're all super high-end. Like I said in my recommendations, you know, a foundation is definitely a great buy during the sale. So first off, I have the Guerlain Essential Natural Glow Foundation and the Tarte Babous Foundation I don't know. Skincare Foundation? I don't even know. The new Tarte one, anyway. The Guerlain retails for $65 and the Tarte retails for $51. Sorry, I can't read backwards. And another ordinary product and a pharmacy kit. Kits are another thing that are amazing to purchase during the sale, so I have a couple of them in here. This is a pharmacy, the Mighty's kit, and it retails for $58, but it has 4 different products in it to give a try. So there's one. Next is a for sure. I am absolutely getting this. This is the Tatcha Harper Resurfacing Mask. Retails for $78 Canadian. But I have never had a mask that does what this does. Your skin just looks amazing. It's unbelievable. The minute you use it, like the first time, there's change. It's amazing. Another mask that I have is the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. It retails for $33. And then I also have the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, which retails for $59. I really, really want to give this one a try too, because it can be used as skincare, a mask, and a primer. So 3 in 1. Another item I have on my loves list is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base Priming, is it full name? Moisturizer. Retails for $77 Canadian. And this is a Jeffree Star approved item that he uses all the time. So it definitely is on my radar to try. Okay, I think we're almost done. Another skincare item, which is super pricey, and I really, really want it, but I don't know. It's Shiseido Benefique Wrinkle Resist 24-hour eye patches. There's 12 packages, and they retail for $80 Canadian. But they work instantly. Again, just like the Tatcha Harper one. It's like, it's automatic. Okay, I have the Urban Decay. I have 2 palettes here. Urban Decay Naked Cherry Eyeshadow Palette and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Eyeshadow Palette. The Urban Decay is $66 Canadian and the Anastasia is $59 Canadian. They're both on my radar for this sale. Another 2 ordinary products. Another eyeshadow palette is the Huda Beauty New Nudes palette. This is $85 Canadian. So it's really, really pricey. And thank you. And my last Huda palette I did buy during the VIB sale as well. Some more ordinary products. Another foundation. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. And it retails for $74. You see that? It's expensive. And that is definitely not the right color. I don't know why I saved that color. Next is a Versali product, which I did talk about in my recommendations. But this is a skin blurring one. So I definitely want to try this one out. It retails for $67 full size, but they did just come out with a mini. So I will for sure be getting that. Next are some Becca things, but I don't think I'm actually going to get them. It's the Becca and Khloe Kardashian line. So it's the Yours Truly and the Cupid's Kiss lipsticks. They both retail for $29 Canadian. And then I have the Color Made with Love by Khloe. So the highlighting bronzer palette, like the face palette. And the like loose bronzer bits. One retails for $53, the other one retails for $22. But I don't think I can get any of these. Unless they go in the sale section during the sale, I probably won't get them. Another thing that I definitely recommend during the sale are the Sephora Favorites Superstar packages. This is the main one, which retails for $90, and then also a Benefit Hippie Go Lucky set, and it retails for $42. Any of these sets is a great buy during the sale. I have a couple MAC things, the MAC Lipstick Blankety and the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. So the lipsticks retail for $23. I remember when I first moved to Edmonton, they were only $19, so they've definitely jumped up quite a bit. And then the foundation retails for $35. Another MAC lipstick in Hug Me, and then another foundation. So this is the Yves Saint Laurent Touche Le Tint Radiance Awakening Foundation, something like that. I don't know. Anyway, it retails for $68. It's this foundation here. I don't know why I want to call it Touche Clot. I don't even know what that means. Sounds gross. I have another lipstick. It's a Too Faced Natural Nudes lipstick in Zen Nudes. It retails for $26. I really do adore Too Faced lipsticks, so great time to give it a try. And then another foundation is a Laneige BB Cream, and it retails for $49. I love like cushion foundations, so. I have the It Cosmetics CC Cream, but I probably won't be getting that. It retails for $49. My niece gave it a try, and it just kind of like moved around on her skin, and she has like drier skin, so I don't want to even try it. I have a Clinique Cheek Pop in Ginger Pop, and they retail for $29. So that's on my loves list. And then the Becca / Chrissy Teigen lip gloss retails for $27, which is kind of expensive for a lip gloss, but it looks so pretty, and it's in Beach Bum. And then underneath is the Guerlain Lingerie Depot Fluid Foundation for $70. And this one is definitely something I'm really thinking about. Only a few more products. Next is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Mini for $18. I definitely want to try this out. And then the foundation from Fenty for $43 is on here too. I still don't know about this, so I want to test it. I want to get a sample and test it first. I have the Ole Hendrickson Banana Bright Eye Cream for $48. It's more skincare, but I kind of want to give this a shot. And my last thing in my loves list is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Eyeshadow Palette for $59. But I don't know about that. I don't think I'm getting any palettes this go around. But I'm going to quickly show you what I do have in my basket. Alright, first product is the Bite Beauty Mini Trio. Then I do have the Smashbox Primer, the Marc Jacobs set, the Summer Fridays mask. Like I said, the Tatcha Harper mask is definitely in here. And this is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Jet set. Definitely want that. I have the Mini Fix Plus, the Mini Hydro Grip Primer, the Mini Versali Skin Blur, the Stila set, the NARS Radiant Concealer. And that's everything. So far, that's what I have in my basket, and that's what's in my love list. Let me know what's in your love list and what you would recommend that I check out during the sale. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.